Hi, I'm Dr. Billy Ledbetter, a functional medicine doctor here in the Austin area. And a little over a year and a half ago, I was kind of having some brain fog and a little bit of decreased energy. And I discovered the Tennant Products and their brain food, which is phenomenal, helped with my brain fog, as well as the Restore product is really good for just providing extra nutrition and recovery aspects that I didn't have before that. I would highly recommend Tennant Products to anyone who is concerned about the purity of their nutraceuticals. And I can attest to the fact that the Tennant Products have the purest ingredients available on the market. I'm Dr. Billy Ledbetter, and I am a functional medicine doctor in the Austin area. I know and trust Dr. Tennant's products because I have had the opportunity to meet Dr. Tennant, and I know that he is incredibly diligent about seeking only the purest ingredients to put into his products. The number one benefit that I've experienced by using Dr. Tennant's products is an increase in energy and vitality, which is near and dear to me as a functional medicine provider. A patient of mine started using Tennant Products and was able to realize an increase in energy as well as a better wellness feeling inside. So an overall just better feeling. I knew Dr. Tennant's products were right for me when I had the opportunity to meet him as well as John and Terry. And I was convinced just from their heart and the way that they approached the nutraceutical industry, and that they were very, very specific about their sourcing of ingredients, which has always been very important to me. So when I found out that they pay some exorbitant amounts for some very pure ingredients that they put into their products, I was like, yes, they're right for me. What surprised me the most about the Tennant Products was the quality of the ingredients that they put into it, and more specifically, like the Restore. It has a lot of ingredients that are very integral to our health and wellness and longevity. And it did surprise me that they took that much time and care to put that much attention into that particular product. My customer experience in working with Tennant Products has been impeccable. They answer the phone. They are here. So you're speaking to a human, and they get the orders processed very quickly. And they even have an online portal that you can do orders through as well. And the orders always show up in a very timely fashion. So I'm not waiting around for long periods of time for back-ordered stuff. I would recommend the Tennant Products to friends, family members, patients, or anyone else that is concerned with purity of ingredients, that are concerned with wellness, health, longevity, and in the biohacking space, all the goodness that comes with that.